Hello YouTube, and welcome to my first official makeup tutorial. I'm so excited. Usually I am a Sephora girl, but there is not one around here, so I actually went to the nearest Ulta Beauty and I picked up the Nikita Morphe palette and brushes. I'm super thrilled about this. I actually have never heard of Nikita, sorry girl, but reading the back of the box, it looks like she is transgender, which is interesting but fabulous because I think the palette is going to be very beautiful and wonderful. And she was inspired by anime in her trips to Tokyo, Japan, which is pretty cool. So I'm pretty excited to unbox this for you guys and to do a tutorial. And I also want to do a review on the palette and do some swatching a little bit later on. So let's go ahead and get right into it. So I want to go ahead and start unboxing. I actually already did the brushes because they were individually wrapped, which I thought was beautiful. But this is what the box looked like right here. Now this comes with 7 different brushes, which is going to include a firm packer brush, an oval shading brush, a crease blending brush, blending fluff brush, a lot of brushes here, tapered blending, a bullet crease, and a double-ended liner. I'll go ahead and show you one of them here. And I'll show you another one because this looks like something I use super often when I do my makeup. I thought they were really pretty. They are purple and black, which are 2 of my favorite colors. Can never have enough brushes, honestly. You probably need, like, realistically 3 to 4 to 5 to 6 every time you do an eye look, so you can never have too many. Let's go ahead and get right into the palette, which I do plan on doing a fabulous look for you now, and then, like I said, swatching a couple extra and giving you a full review at the end of the video. I'm obsessed with Morphe recently. Wow, this is really pretty. Nikita did a great job with this. I mean, the colors are very, very striking. Very, very beautiful. Wow. I mean, wow. Look at these colors. I mean, they're absolutely gorgeous and striking. And like I said, I love fun colors, so I think she did a beautiful job with this palette, and I'm gonna create a look for you momentarily. Just need to think about what I want to do real quick and we'll get right into it. Oh my gosh, so my first official makeup tutorial, I'm using the absolutely beautiful Morphe Nikita palette. I love it, so colorful and beautiful. So I went ahead and did my eyebrows already, of course, with the Benefit brow pencil. I primed my face with Smashbox primer. Foundation, NARS. Now, I was a Too Faced girl for a really, really long time, but recently switched over to NARS because I'm really feeling their coverage. And then concealer, of course. So let's get right into this beautiful palette. I did purples for my introduction video, so I think I'm gonna go with something, I don't even know, I'm just gonna dip into something and start going. Let's see what brush I want to use here. I'm gonna go with this one here. I don't know. I mean, like I said, I've always been a fan of colors and colorful things. I don't really do a lot of neutrals. So I think tonight I'm just gonna dip into the bright pink Nikita, honestly, and see what happens. Wow, that is pink. Like I said, something I really love about Morphe is the pigment. I mean, I've been doing makeup for so long and I've used a lot of every brand you could think of at Sephora. and they don't really have Morphe there, so that explains it. So for time purposes, I decided to speed up the video a little bit, but I still wanted to tell you guys exactly what I was doing. So I'm applying the beautiful hot pink to my lid, and I decided to go in the crease area and blend upwards with the beautiful lighter pink shades. You can never blend too much. I mean, blend, blend, blend. That is so key when you are doing your makeup. I will say I do love the brushes. I think they were nice and light and fluffy, and I think it worked really well with the colors I chose for blending and applying and all that. So I was pleased with the brushes. I'm just putting a little bit of concealer, a little more concealer underneath my eyes just because. And I think I'm about to do, yes, looks like I'm doing some blue underneath my eyes. The beautiful light blue at the bottom of the palette. Gorgeous color. It really gave me cotton candy vibes. So there's that. I am using my Too Faced Milk Chocolate Bronzer. It smells like chocolate. It's amazing. I just got those Morphe brushes recently too, so I'm just kind of experimenting with the bronzers, the blushes, the highlights, all that jazz. Using my favorite Jeffree Star Platinum Ice highlighter. I am very impressed with that highlighter specifically. And of course, the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara to finish. Okay, so what do you think of the Nikita palette? I mean, from what I can see, it looks very bright, beautiful, something I'd wear on the daily. I'm happy with the look. I mean, again, I can't really see what I'm doing, and I've never really done a tutorial before, so hopefully it looks okay on camera, but I think it came out beautiful. I think the colors are really bright and fun. And let's do some swatching, shall we? So for my look, I went ahead and I did this beautiful hot pink right here, Nikita. I also did this PBG. I did this one right here, and then for my underneath my eyes, I went ahead with this beautiful blue right here. So I just want to go ahead and swatch a couple of these for you guys. I did go ahead and conceal my arm right here, so it is a gorgeous shade. Ooh, that's really pretty right there. Peacock, that is a gorgeous shade. Also, this green. Wow, look at that. Let's see, 703 looks very beautiful also. Wow. These are pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other arm just to show you a few more. I did not swatch this arm with concealer, so we'll see. Temptation. Ooh, look at that. That's a gorgeous neutral right there. Cyborg, just a nice silver, something, you know, maybe a good transition color, something for the top. Let's see here. Red is very interesting. I don't know if I'd ever wear this personally, but you know what? It's kind of pretty. Something for Valentine's Day, maybe? And let's do one more. Let's go ahead and do Escort. Just a nice, pretty gold right there. Yeah, I mean, I would say these are pretty. This palette's very colorful. My review of this palette, I would say good job to Nikita and Morphe. Very colorful, bright, beautiful, fun, fabulous, and can't wait to play around with it a little bit more, honestly. So there you have it, my first makeup tutorial. I really haven't done my makeup on camera before, so hopefully it all came out okay. I did in fact want to show off, review the beautiful Nikita Morphe palette. I would have to say this palette is a go. It was only $30 at Morphe. I actually got this one at Ulta Beauty, but of course they do have it on Morphe. I think the colors are really fun, really fabulous. These are just a couple random swatches, honestly, and of course my eyes, but I think it's really fun. It's a go. It was a hit. Nikita, great job. Morphe, great job. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will definitely see you in the next video.